Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I yell holy mochaccino. Price don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight from the whip.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome everybody. All right. Wow. How y'all did this morning? How y'all did this morning, guys? Let's go. What's up, Timphony? Timothy, not Timphony. Timothy, Scott T Money in the house, man. What's going on? Bad, really bad. What happened? What happened, bro? And Neil Lucan, what's going on, man? Howdy from Denmark. Let's go. Lots of up and downs. Say fly, was it called StockTiger? I don't know. I mean, it's a long story, but we'll talk about it another day. Soul Ambitious, what's going on? Miken, Flavio, ASF Flies, just my style. Miss Gate in the house, what's up? All right, guys. Wow. It looks like it was a pretty crazy morning, to say the least. I hope you guys stayed safe. I hope you guys stay safe this morning, guys. Yes, I can. Thank you for being concerned. Let's go. 7 more men in the house. All right, so we ended up getting a nice little bounce off that low. We got to pull back, of course, into the 450, but the market found a way to get a bounce. So I think we also had a bit of a headline that I think just came out right now as we were trying to get on stream. I think Trump just said that he is going to. I think he tweeted, right? He also did mention that he is going to be attacking Iran in a much bigger way. So I don't know what that means. So I don't know how that's gonna reflect in the overall market here today during the Globex, guys. So I think it's gonna be a very tricky afternoon. Definitely thinking about that headline, the market should have a big gap to the downside, but the market found a way to get a nice little bounce during the morning session. So putting the war aside for now, just purely based on the technicals, I do kind of feel like the market may try to give us that little more bounce attempt tonight, right? So with that in mind, guys, I'm gonna try to long. I'm gonna try to long tonight on the pullbacks, and unless the headline that I think is true, if this is true that Trump is going to be attacking Iran, in a big way, then that's obviously going to affect the market negatively. So the market may probably try to pull back here. We'll see. We'll go one step at a time here. I'm gonna look for 800 area to be that sort of a level. If we get above that 800, if we hold that level, then we probably have a good chance of a bounce in the market. And then if we end up pulling back underneath the 700, then I probably would say, okay, we'll start to look for a shorting opportunity in the market, guys. So one of the two. Let's see what the market decides to do here tonight. Okay, so I drew that Fibonacci as well here early during the pre-market. You guys know I was live during the pre-market, and we're trading. We did pretty well here. I also did trade the morning, but about an hour, right? And that was a pretty good, solid morning session trade that I did. But we hopped right into, we're right in the middle of that Fibonacci between 38 to 23. We got a rejection off the VWAP on a 30 minutes chart. So I want to kind of wait and see if we can get above this VWAP and kind of hold. That would be pretty bullish if that is the case. Okay, so we're looking at 800 and 700 to be that levels. Those are the breakout levels. What's up? Top 20 in the house. Hot Cedar, what's up? Intel up 13%, really? Crazy stuff. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Guys, you got only about 2 minutes for this market to open. Let's get it, guys. Did I trade the morning session? I did, but I traded for the first hour and that was it. I think my day was fine. I lost a couple evals between London session into the morning. I lost a couple Apex evals and I lost a couple funded next evals along the way. But overall, I would say a pretty decent day. Like considering, well, I would say there's about 25 accounts I haven't traded, but there are some funded accounts I traded in the morning, and they all did pretty decent. So and I can go ahead and request some payout, guys, with Apex again. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Yes, sir. 2 grand on one account. Do you like the 25k accounts? I mean, with Take Profit Trader, I'll try to continue trading with the 25s, and of course I'm gonna be, that doesn't mean that I'm not gonna be trading everything else. I mean, just I'll try to be a little more with the 25s, and then of course in between I'm gonna have 50s and I'm gonna have also the 150s, so we'll see. Guys, I think the market is open, guys. I think the market is opened. So market just opened. We are dipping underneath that. Is that because of the Trump headline or what? So we had a wow. Well, how many points? That's literally about 50 points pullback there, guys. 50 points pullback.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted.
Because I went short, looking for that momentum drive down underneath 700 area, looking for the pullback to 660. Let's see if we get it, guys. And good luck if you guys are trading here. I've got 4. Oh, yes, baby. Let's go, yeah.
Order filled.
The last 2 piece here, holding the last 2 piece, guys. Trump tweet, is that the one that's making this market move down? What is it, everybody? Trump said he's gonna be attacking Iran with a massive airstrikes. That's what he said. And I wonder if that's moving the market down, guys. What I ended up doing was the market was down, and I said there could be the little more further pullback here, a momentum push into the 660s. I hopped on a short, and I had 5 contracts. I took 3 off the table, down to 2 last piece, guys. Let's go. Trading the 25k accounts right now, guys, on a Take Profit Trader, trying to rebuild the pro accounts back again. You guys know, for a couple of weeks, for about 2 weeks, I had 1 pro account that I was on a marathon trading for daily payouts really worked out nicely, but we had to let go of that pro account. It's no longer with us, and I gotta get into the rebuilding process over again, which is fine. Let's be patient. Look for that pro accounts to be back. Yeah, I think I should have like 5 pro accounts by end of this week, hopefully, and so I can get back into my daily payouts again. I can't wait. Man, that was a lot of payout using one account, right? I still cannot believe what I did with that one single account. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Bro, I don't know what's the biggest buffer I ever had, because I kept taking payouts every time I get above the buffer. You know what I mean? So, but if I'm gonna have to do the math and kind of add all the daily payouts that I got on that single account, I would say I had over 10 grand, right? Man, but that 25k pro definitely did pay. Jeez. I really did. Unfortunately, I had to let it go in a bad way. It was not even a tilting, but I was trading the London session, of course, and found a way to really get destroyed. London left, right, and center with that pro account. Unfortunately, it's gone. But that was a lot of fun, though. A lot of fun. Okay, here we are, guys. The market trying to pull back here. I've got 2 last piece here, holding the 2 last piece. I'm gonna be looking for that pullback here. Let's see if we hold. If we can't hold this level, guys, we probably end up pulling back all the way down to 600, guys. We could see a pullback into 600 pretty quickly. If we cannot hold this, right, we gotta get above 690. We gotta get above 690 in order to feel a lot more bullish here. But if not, then I think we'll probably end up pulling back all the way down to 620 area, guys. That's the next level of support. Let's see what this market does. We broke underneath that key level. We talked about 700 being that support. We broke underneath that, and that acting as a resistance now. So, hey, let's look for a little more pulling back here. Let's go, guys. Apex approved the payout. Let's go. My favorite AI. What's going on, man? I think the low was established during the session. We were just waiting for a positive flow. We're pulling just a little more to kind of put a little bit of a question mark as to, you know, I'm a little skeptical at this point. You see, I'll read exactly what Trump said. US, oh no. Okay, US says another one. So related to the war, Trump said he's getting prepared for a massive attack on Iran. That's one. And on an economy front, the US imposes tariffs tied to forced labor on top 60 partners. Forced labor on top 60 trading partners. So what does that mean, guys? If you're going to be talking about forced labor now, man, I'm pretty confident the forced labor is probably in every single countries around the world. Of course, other than the G7, it says 60 countries, 60 trading partners. So that is a pretty big deal, if you will. But I don't know how much of a tariff they're going to put it on. But no, I think it's the forced labor. I think that what they meant is underage, right? So below, I don't know, maybe, what is it? Forced labor. It's underage. Okay, so the markets are pulling back here. Let's go, man. Let's go. Apex approved the payout. Freaking awesome. All right, let's go, guys. I'm still holding this last piece. I'm actually thinking about adding, believe it or not. But, you know, Globex has been great in making these funky moves, right? All of a sudden, it looks like pretty bearish, and all of a sudden, it looks bullish again. A minute after. Wow. Mahmoud, Sharif, كيف حالك حبيبي شباب? Marhaba, marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Use bank. Kimi, what's going on, man? Very sought. Under 13 years old, sudden vision. That's too young. Make forced labor great again. You bad boy. You went for a walk today. Go walk again. Ahla, ahla, Mahmoud. Did you catch the short today? Yes. This morning, New York session, guys. We caught this big fat move to the downside in the morning on several funded accounts and including few evals as well. So I think I had a pretty overall decent day. But the couple events that I lost, like between London session into the pre-market, just kind of feel like I lost it pretty quickly, right? And the markets, yeah, man, trading London session is really tough. Just kind of feel like Asia is way better, in my opinion, way better than London. But you know, a lot of you guys are gonna disagree, but I just kind of feel like Asia is a way better. And then, of course, New York is the best. And the pre-market is okay, but man, what's the worst time to be trading in my opinion? It's like late night into London session. Oh, it's awful. It's painful, guys, painful. Ahlan, shukran habibi. Mahmoud Sharif. Tiger is now my favorite streamer. Let's go. أنا كلام عربي شوية بس. Man, I find it tough to trade. Oh my god, late night into the London. It's awful, guys. We're pulling back here. What a nice little trade. I'm kind of thinking about adding a few more here.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
All right.
Order
All right.
Order
So I've got
filled.
5 contracts now. I'm gonna be putting that stop. I'm gonna be putting that stop to break even.
Order
So if I end up
submitted.
getting what do you call this? When they're getting a
Order
bounce, that's fine.
canceled.
I'm gonna get stopped out of the break even. So that's all
Order
cool. By
submitted.
oh, you see that? You see that
Order
wick?
submitted.
Oh dear. Don't tell me we're gonna get a bounce off this level. Don't tell me. Do not tell me. I've got to stop at the break even, so don't get a bounce.
Order
I'm gonna
Order
take
filled.
one off the table, guys. One off the table. All right, moving my stop to 650. Let's see if we get a bit of a fall through, guys. Down into the 620s. All right, guys. I'm gonna exit this trade right here. Oh, hold on. The market's telling me to hold on this trade. The market's telling me that, not me. So I'm gonna try to hold this, guys, for a few more bucks. See if we get 5 points pullback here, guys. Let's see. Let's get it, guys. Oh. Last 4-piece. Yeah, let's go. Last
Order
3.
filled.
Down to 3 last piece, guys.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Okay, so looks like the bracket may try to get a bounce, guys. I'm going to exit my trade right here. Thank you. I'm out.
Order filled.
Filled.
Well, I could have been a little more greedy, but it's okay. It is what it is. I'm okay with this profit. You know what I mean? But Nugget Man, StockTiger, you look absolutely cooked and tired. I completely disagree with that statement, by the way. But it's early in the morning. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning, so there's definitely no way I'm gonna look tired. Oh, maybe I look tired. I look tired and being tired is 2 different things, but hey, it's okay. See, ASAP Fly says, I look handsome. Let's go. Yes. ASAP Fly, our ambassador. If you partied all night, you look tired at 7 a.m. in the morning, Borona. Well, that's true, but I'm not a party guy at all. I'm not a party guy, so... Why did Top Step change the step of compliance approved to trust approved? Yeah, that's kind of weird. Compliance to trust. I don't know. Maybe that's just a legal terminology that they just maybe changed. It kind of makes sense. Trust. I don't know. I have no idea. You cannot get tired of trading. Yes, exactly. Bahmud Sharif is right. We don't get tired of trading at all. Well, I do sometimes get tired, but hey. Guys, is my streaming actually lagging at the moment? Are you guys going through some trouble? Or is it buffering? Can you let me know? I should have a timer. Is that important? You know what I mean? Which firm paid you the most this month? What paid me the most is Apex and Tech Profit Trader. These are the two firms that paid me the most. I think each one, I probably got about 10K through Apex alone, and about 8K Tech Profit Trader, and the rest of other firms probably gave me about 2 grand. That put me over 20,000 for now for this month of May, for the month of July, which I will be grateful, by the way. All right, guys, we're getting a pullback here with no real meaningful bounce right at this time of the day. And we are tipping into the 600 area again. And 600 area is the level that we said it is going to be very important to try to hold that level during this morning session, guys. And we found a way to dip just a little more to take everybody out of the system. All the short positions, sorry, not the short positions, but all the stops, taking them out, and eventually found a way to get a bounce. But man, what a swing in the market, guys, today, this morning. Right, you had a 300 points up and down, and eventually found a way to get a bounce. And after an hour into the Globex, the market also found a way to get a bounce, pullback. And we're getting literally about 170 points pullback here after hour. Pretty interesting. So Intel's isn't Intel down? I thought Intel's down. Let's take a look at the Intel here, guys, for a second. Where's Intel? Right. So Intel's pretty much, well, wow, look at Tesla, went down 14%. Guys, whoa. Tesla went down 14% today. Chalapula, look at that, Chulu. Google down 7%, and Amazon down 5%, and Nvidia down about 1.5%. Oh no. Oh no. Everything just literally dumped all throughout the day. The VIX ended up getting a bounce into the $18 in the Moolah, in the Chala, and the GLD ended up pulling back 2%. But hey, pretty nasty looking chart overall. Right, we broke underneath the 691. That was a little bit of a fake to the upside. A little decade bounce actually we got. We are now pulling back in the market. And Tesla definitely does come as a little surprise to me. Down into the $320. Oh my God, guys. I'm going to have to take a look at the SpaceX. The biggest shareholder, SpaceX, guys. StockTiger here in the house, guys. And SpaceX is down to $120. I've literally wiped out $100 million worth of my value, with my average being about $160, now down to $110. I've just literally lost about 40% of my value, guys. $100 million down. Sorry, it's not $100 million, 100 million pesos down. Crazy stuff. How many shares do you have? Yeah, I've got a, yeah, let me do the math. Let me just count how many shares I have. 1, 2, 1, 2. Why do I only have 3? Only 3 shares, damn. Well, that's a little problem. Three shares. That's all I have. Damn. That sounds like a little problem. 3 shares, StockTiger. Yeah, I'm still the biggest shareholder. 3 shares, let's go. Okay, so we're into the 676, guys. Trying to get the market trying to get a little balance, right? That could be a bit of a short-term bottom there. That's a nice little 40 points bounce in the market. Got right above the view up, and we gotta hold. We gotta be able to hold this though. We're right back into the 670.
Order
filled.
Order
Filled. Order filled.
Hey guys, I went short again. I maybe cooked on this, but hey, I'm going to give it a shot.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'll look for the quick little pullback here into the VWAP.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Order filled.
And that is paying. 2 last piece, guys. 1 last piece now. Let's go. Ooh, baby. We are here to make some monies. Oh, let's go. 656, guys. Pulling back underneath the VWAP. Booyah. Wow, you went for the walk today, says already up 60. Mochatrinos, let's go. All right, guys, final take profit closing here.
Order filled.
And we're up. Well, we're up nicely there. So I'm going to look for something else. A different tradable account.
Order filled.
Or no. Okay, I'm going to try to exit that. I want to see this price get out of this range, right? I want to see that get out of this 675, or let's just wait till we dip underneath the 650, or we dip underneath, we go above 680. One of the two. Tiger, I use the 25k take profit trader account, your favorite one right now. For now, it is. Yes, for now. Somehow I'm finding ways to pass the 25k's TPT accounts faster. Well, not faster, you still have to trade for 5 days, but I mean you know, it's easier to pass right now for me. And on top of that, it's easier to get above the buffer. And I just kind of feel like the $1,500 of drawdown that we have on the 25k accounts. Guys, remember, Take Profit Trader is the only one that's offering you, well, not only one, but one of the very few that offers you $1,500 of drawdown on a 25k account, right? So, yes, there is that little bit of a drawdown that is the trailing. And I know some of you guys find it challenging to trade the trailing, but We just got to get above the buffer. I think that's really what it is. You see, you got a lot of traders on our Discord, by the way, who does really well with Tech Profit Trader, right? We got Big Belly doing really well. We also have who is this? Yeah, we also have Bowser Trades doing really well. I mean, these are our fellow traders really inspiring others, including myself, to do better every day. And yeah, we got some traders really do really well with Take Profit Trader, and they all use different size. You know, sometimes they use 150s, sometimes they use 50s, and sometimes they use 25s. I think they're all similar in a way, but you know, there are certain preferences on a certain time of the month, I guess. Like for me right now, this month, the one that pays me is the 25. So if that's the one that's paying me, I might as well just continue using the 25. Something that works for you right now. Don't have to change what works, right? A lot of the firms have a micro scalping rule. Like Funded Next as well has a micro scalping rule. You also have that rule with Tradify as well. But the one that does not have the micro scalping rules at all is, I think, Lucid. Lucid doesn't have any of that micro scalping related rule on their dashboard, right? So you can do whatever you want with your account. And that's the beautiful thing about Lucid and Tech Profit Trader, is that no micro scalping rules. So that's good. Guys, we're trying to get a balance in the market, guys. 6086 right now at this week. We broke out of this little pivot. Let's see if this is a nice little bull flag, guys. Kind of forming here. I kind of like what I see so far. I'm going to be looking for that just a little pullback here into the 670s before I can actually hop on along. I'm going to look
Order submitted.
for a minor
Order
pullback.
submitted.
And I'm going to try to see if I can hop on along here right now, guys.
Order submitted. Order
I don't want to
submitted.
chase this. So 5 contracts.
Order
See if I can actually get all the 5. Oh, well, it's going to go
Order
without me now, right?
submitted.
I think that's what it... Yeah, I think it's going to go without me. Oh, well. Oh, well. If you're a micro scalper, be careful with trade day. And I know a lot of you guys also complain about Apex smaller drawdown, but you see they've well, you see, after so many people talking about it, they brought the legacy accounts back. They brought those legacy accounts back, and guess what they did? Those accounts are exactly the same as what we had prior to the new products, right? So you have the $2,500 of drawdown to work with now.
Order filled.
Right? You had $2,500 drawdown on that new promo, and that's the legacy accounts on a 50K. So you still have the 90% off, and that gets you $19. So you're paying essentially $19 on a 50K account, and on top of that, you got this $2,500 of drawdown that you can kind of work with. The only thing that I feel a little uncomfortable with the legacy ones, right? I'm not, well, I mean, the $2,500 of drawdown that obviously has gone up. More so than that, I still prefer, you know, your payout getting approved instantly. You see, I just requested a payout just a few minutes ago, and that got approved instantly. And those are on the newer accounts, so I kind of prefer the new products where you get approved right away. So I'm kind of assuming the legacy accounts, you're gonna have to go through MAE. And man, the legacy, I mean, depends. So you're gonna have to like kind of
Order.
Order filled.
ask yourself what is more important than the other, right? $19 Rocket 64. Man, it definitely shows you how you've been following me. I love it, bro. I love it. So I'm pretty sure you've been here with us for a while now. Does the Lucid allow you to purchase? Yeah, absolutely. So I'm trading Lucid accounts back again. I was trading Lucid account this morning. All right, I was trading Lucid accounts this morning. Just going back to the regular purchase. That's really what it is.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Yeah, just be careful if you're trading trade day. There's a lot of hidden rules that's gonna really destroy you. No, and Justin right. I'm not good enough to go into the Lucid Max. I'm trading the regular accounts back again, so how long did they cool you down? 2 weeks. I think it's 2 weeks. Yeah, I would have easily got banned from trade day, but after getting into a lot of arguments, but I don't know. I don't know if I say I got lucky or not, but I mean, I'm not trading trade day anymore, so. After wiping out all my profits that I made, over 18,000, man, tell me you're not gonna get pissed. If the legacy accounts intraday, absolutely. You got yeah, those are intraday accounts. How many contracts do you trade with 25K? Honestly, MSLA, you gotta place a rule, but I don't do that. I kept saying to myself, I do not want to be any more than 5 micro contracts, but time to time, I maximize whatever I can, right? So let's say if the firm allows me to use 3 mini contracts, and sometimes I'm with 3 mini contracts, sometimes. So essentially what I'm trying to say is I max out whatever they allow me to trade. Sometimes.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Order
filled.
Guys, it's really slow. I'm gonna have to kind of wait, right? I'm gonna have to kind of wait. Yeah, they took $18,000 of my profit across 4 accounts. And they used my micro scalping as a reason to take all my profits away. And that too at a time when I was requesting a payout. Really amazing. Really amazing. Micro scalping. Micro scalping and split orders. There's no split orders. All my orders, you guys know, like when I place an order, I don't place an order one time and that's it. I do a lot of, you know, I mean, not necessarily all the time, but I mean, a lot of times what I try to do is You see, I'll show it to you right now. Okay, this is a good example of what I do. Right, you know, I get in one.
Order filled.
You know,
Order
I keep
filled.
going.
Order.
I keep
Order
adding
filled.
my orders. You know what I mean?
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
I keep
Order.
adding.
Filled.
Right?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
It's not split, but it's just that, okay, well, do I want to stop here or do I want to keep going and adding? Because I think it's going to go in my favor. Oh, shit, guys, I've added too many. 1 second, guys. Oh,
Order
well, it's working out
submitted.
on my favor.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, my God. You kidding me? Really, guys? I was trying to give an example, and then all of a sudden I'm down a lot. I thought I kind of got a little lucky there, but
Order filled.
let's go.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Bring my mornings back to the table, guys. Let's go. Booyah.
Order.
Order filled.
Down to
Order,
four,
order,
down to
order.
four,
Order
down to
filled.
3, guys. 3 contracts. I know, don't do it, man. You've got to be kidding, StockTiger. Give me an example, but then you're kind of tilting at this point. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy. Just tell them you guys. You know, I'm not interested in arguing with the firms. It's okay if that's how they want to play the dirty game. That's fine. You know, we just have to kind of move on. You know, there's really nothing much you can do, really. You're in the mercy. Do you copy trade? No, I don't. I don't copy trade, Albert Johnson. You guys know that. But I do copy trade sometimes. Sometimes when I get a little wild, I copy trade funded accounts as well. I think the last time I did was I copy traded on the some account. I can't remember what it was. I copy traded a few which accounts? Oh, I copy traded a few funded next accounts. And then I got into trouble. And then I said to myself, I'm never going to be copy trading ever again. Ever again. Manual trading. Tiger, you look like the guy Salt Bay. Salt Bay? Salt Bay? What is Salt Bay? Real Estate Vancouver. What's going on, man? Legends closed my accounts because of accidentally hedging. It's my fault. So Real Estate Vancouver, I mean, they closed my accounts too. They closed my accounts. And guess what? How many accounts they closed? 8 accounts. No, I lied. I think it's about 6 accounts they canceled. They were all passed as well. But that's not today. It was like a week and a half ago. You know, when they had 1+1 offer, the Legend. I don't really pay attention too much to Legends, but you know, these are my back burners. My tier 1, the main firms that I really focus on right now is Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Apex, and Tradify. These are my top 4, and I doubt if this top 4 is going to change anytime soon, really. At least for now, I've got this top 4, so. And a little bit of an adjustments to my portfolio too is that I've got a little more 25Ks than I used to. So you guys are going to start to see me trade more often than not on the 25s. Like I've already got a few more 25K accounts on my Lucid, and of course you guys know I'm trading the 25Ks on my Take Profit Trader as well. And I don't know, we'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna have to have a nice blend of the two between the 50s and the 25s, and maybe see if I can actually have a couple 150s along the way as well, right? Combination of these accounts, maybe it's a good thing, I guess. Intel is giving back. So does anybody know why the Intel is kind of giving back everything? It's kind of weird. All right, the market trying to get a bounce, and we are here at 681, and the market trying to get a bounce. Interesting. Let's go. So far, we're kind of holding the bottom. We're holding the VWAP as well. So 670 VWAP we're holding. So let's see what happens here. I'm gonna have to get out of this trade, to be honest. Okay, I want to try to exit this trade, guys. Exit this trade and kind of hold. And kind of wait and see what happens.
Order.
Order filled.
Yeah, there's no volume.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled. Order filled.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Order filled.
No, guys.
Order filled.
Oh boy.
Order filled.
Oh boy, look at that, guys. Look at that. 20 contracts. Nice little pop, guys, to the upside on that trade. Jeez. Yalamula. Takamula. Let's go.
Order filled.
I don't think I'm gonna take one last
Order
piece.
filled.
One last piece, guys. Wow.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, the reason why I took it off is because you're gonna have to think about the consistency, right? So you got a $1,500 profit target on a 25K account. You divide that by 2 because it's 50% consistency. That gets you 750, right? That's what you can make on a single day. Smoky Bears trade is so upset. The StockTiger bank on that trade. That was a nice, easy trade there. I wish I can do that every single day. Okay, I'm gonna exit that trade right there, guys.
Order
Kind of
filled.
move on to something else now. See how it kind of goes. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Yeah, it's early in the morning right now. Okay, so we ended up getting a nice little pop, and that was about that was a good 30 points pump, you know, right of that area. So I mean, it's pretty obvious something had to kind of break. We're right into the pivot, and so something had to kind of break, and we nicely broke to the upside, which is great. I'm fine by that. I'm happy with that, of course. So guys, man, we are trying to get a bounce off the 23.6 Fibonacci on a longer time frame on a 30-minute chart, and let's try to see if we can actually get above the VWAP. I think we're still underneath the VWAP, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, see? So we are trying to get a bounce off this VWAP, right? This is gonna be an important one, right? I wanna kind of make sure that we get above the previous candle high, and that's 710. We gotta get above that well, not 710, I lied. Yeah, 715. Once we get above the 715, I think we have a good chance of a bounce back into, wow, believe it or not, guys, good chance of bounce back into 770. Okay, so I want to see this thing get above this close this candle, right? Close this current candle, get above the 710 and kind of hold it. Right, get above and do something like that here. Like, I want to see this thing get above, do this, and close this candle. Close this candle right there. And the new candle form, and I want to see that go above this 720. And then I think we have a nice little continuation here to the upside that could potentially take us back into the 770. Or we may try to get a little pullback here and maybe get a bounce after. We'll see. We may try to do this. We may close the candle right in the middle, doji candle, and then the next candle maybe something like this, and then we get something like that thereafter. Get above on a third candle, and then we get a nice little push to the upside. So I think it's kind of really important to see ourselves hold the 670s, and that's where the VWAP is as well on a shorter time frame. 70s, guys. This is going to be a very important level. So I'm going to be using this to try to gauge where it's going to go. Guys, I don't know if you guys notice, man. Every single time I end the stream, the freaking market starts to move. I don't know, like, it's mind-boggling that it's got to happen every single time. Have you guys noticed that or not? Have you guys noticed this market freaking moves like crazy every time I end the stream? It's like my sim account apparently starts to move. Is this firms actually copy trading our accounts or what? On their live accounts. Seriously, man, I am so like, I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm like, every time I end the stream, I tell you, hey, goodbye, we'll see you guys back tomorrow. I love you guys and all that. We end the stream, I shut it off, and all of a sudden you see this little big spike or big dump in the market. Crazy, man. Crazy. And it doesn't do anything while I'm in the stream. Well, it does, but I mean, that's occasionally. Crazy, man. I'm the market mover here. Because StockTiger is the market mover. Mover. I'm not the mover. I'm the mover. Paper. Paper funded accounts. Let's go. Oh. Are you going to be buying some legacy accounts? Maybe. But one of the reasons why I may not buy legacy, I may be forced to buy legacy accounts if I obviously end up blowing my existing accounts, right? But if I had a choice to go on a new account and the legacy ones right now as we speak, I may try to go with the newer accounts. And not that because legacy is any worse, but it's because I think if you mix up the two, I think you're gonna start to get into a lot of problems. Meaning, you're not necessarily getting into a lot of bad trades, but because of different rules for the legacy and the newer accounts, you may screw up your trade, right? And as you try to do that, you're gonna end up you're gonna end up blowing more accounts. Because a lot of confusions between the two accounts. They are two completely different different accounts with different sets of rules and policies, right? So I would prefer to just stick to one if I can. Mixing up the both could end up costing you. So you gotta be a little bit careful, guys. Not just about how great the accounts are and stuff, right? It's also about you know, are you able or are you capable or able to manage your accounts, right? And their account numbers all look the same anyways, right? So how would you know which account is what? It's gonna get confusing, guys. And you could end up making a lot of mistakes as well, so. Wow, real estate Vancouver, really? Okay, so you still have a whole bunch of legacy accounts? Yeah, oh yeah, that makes sense. If you have a lot of legacy accounts, then going with the legacy accounts offer that we have now, it really does make sense, of course. The old rules are a bit confusing, that's right. I prefer the new accounts. I'm gonna have to be very honest. I prefer the new accounts. Maybe I should call out. Maybe I should call out more often than not to use my code. I guess I don't really do that as much because I don't know. I mean, if you guys love me, you guys are gonna use my code. If not, then that's fine, right? But the only good thing about legacy accounts is the unlimited payouts after the 5th. Yeah, so, but I mean, you also have to think about how many times you're gonna get to the 5th payout. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. Real Estate Vancouver, using the code Tiger all the time. Thank you so much, Real Estate Vancouver. I truly appreciate it, guys. I mean, I already have the call outs on the banner. I don't have to say it anymore. You know what I mean? Yeah, for trading drawdown accounts, it's nicer to have $2,500 of drawdown, just like exactly what Real Estate Vancouver just said, guys. We're getting a nice little pop here, guys. 7:30. Well, we got 5 more minutes to close this candle. Crazy stuff. Guys, okay. Well, guys, try to show some love, right? Let's try to show some love. Smack the like, everybody, if you can, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. No, I don't use bot to. Yeah, no, I don't buy likes. I don't do that. No, I have no any paid ads to boost the likes and I don't know, whatever it may be. These are all pure organic, guys. This is what I get. It all boils down to you guys. My fellow traders in the house. You love StockTiger, you love the stream. Show some love, smack the like likes like never before. All right, you know, there's a couple things I want to do because we've been waiting for loves, and we've not been getting a lot of loves. So I'm gonna go ahead and do something here, guys, a little more special today, right? Now that we're kind of approaching into the end of the week, I'm gonna go take a look and see any YouTube members for over 2 months. I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway for you guys first to start. That's a giveaway right now. Right? What do you guys think? We'll try to do... How about this, guys? Let's go ahead and do 150K account. Take Profit Twitter giveaway for YouTube members for over 2 months. What do you guys think? You tell me. One second. So this is what I'm gonna do, guys. This is what I'm gonna do, man. Guys, man, please show some love. Please. I'm begging you. Begging you. But man, seriously, we got over 300 viewers and we only have 80 likes. Like, what the frick is going on, man? What? Like, why? Like, what? What did I do to you guys? Why? Why do I not get love? What's going on here, guys? Do I have to take my shirt off? What the hell? Tell me. Guys, I gotta go use the washroom. I'm getting absolutely pissed. Guys, what happened to the market? Look, I go away and the market ends up getting a bounce, man. This is freaking awesome. Awesome. I love it. Amazing. Just amazing. Right as when StockTiger goes away, it's either I have to go away, walk away, guys. Anybody long, every time, guys, this is what we're going to try to do every single day. If you guys are long or if you guys are short, just tell me so I can just walk away for about 5 minutes and I come back. And you guys in a big fat win, by the way. Oh, it bounced before I walked away? Oh, okay, I see. Just 1 second. We got so many over 2 months now. I didn't realize that, man. I thank you so much to all of you, man, for your support to the channel. This is crazy. All right, so YouTube members for over 2 months. I'm gonna do a separate giveaway. My stream keeps freezing. Uh-oh. Really? One second. My stream keeps freezing, guys. This is what I'm hearing at the moment. All right, guys. Let's have some fun today. Okay, let's try to have some fun. Oh, 1 second, guys. Chase the market, StockTiger. Come on, you love chasing the market. Let's go. Do it. Do it.
Order filled.
Do it. No. Do it. Uh-oh.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Oh, guys, I need a pull back here.
Order
filled.
Let's go. Oh, yes, sir. Come on. Take it down.
Order submitted.
Just a little more. Just a little more. Save StockTiger down into the
Order
680s. Let's
filled.
go, please.
Order
Oh,
submitted.
booyah.
Order submitted. Order.
Order
We're hitting
filled.
some mornings. Let's go, guys.
Order
Pulling back
filled.
here.
Order.
Order filled.
Going down to
Order
3
filled.
contracts, guys. Down to 3 contracts, man. We made some mornings. We love making some mornings, guys. Mornings. Where the heck are ya? Where's that profits I made? Right there. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna spin the wheel for. All right, this is the giveaway for YouTube members for over 2 months, okay? So this is for... This is going to be for 150K. As promised, 150K take profit Twitter account. So I'm going to put this on the sideline for now. In the meantime, this is for YouTube members for over 2 months. Take profit Twitter 150K account. So I'm going to put down the sideline for now. We'll go ahead and do something else. That is going to be for everybody now, guys. For everybody. Forget the likes, guys. Anyways, nobody cares about likes anymore, right? Let's go ahead and do some giveaways, guys. Forget about it. We move on. It's okay. We got over 300 viewers. And we have 50 likes. That's guys, that's all good. I love it, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for showing a lot of love. It's okay. It's okay. I'm okay with that. Guys, I think there's something going on with my stream. I think it's kind of lagging. Something's so beat up right now. Sorry guys, I think there's something going on with the stream. There's definitely that lag right now, unfortunately. We're gonna go ahead and do a giveaway for everybody else as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do some couple, okay? We are not going to allow. We're not going to allow traders smacking a dislike stop us from doing giveaways. Let's go, guys. No, the stream is crashing. The stream is crashing, I think. J Dubs, thank you so much, brother. All right, so guys, man, I may be not able to read the chat because there's a lot of it's moving pretty quickly here on the chat, so I'm not able to read it. I'm not able to read it. You were lagging, but it caught up now. But yeah, so it's still lagging, back and forth. Okay, so 1 second. I just see a comments by a few traders stating that your names are not there on the list. 1 second, I'll take a look.
Order submitted. Order.
What did I do? Well, we got into some nice little trades, I think. Right, we got into some nice little trades. We also have the 25s, so 150s as well, so okay. For Srini, I see Srini. Where's Srini? Oh no, maybe because Srini, you've just recently got in, right? It's for YouTube members for over 2 months. So that's probably the reason why, right? So yeah, so just wait until you get to 2 months. Yeah, we got a lot of names on the first month, so we have Mugiwara. Mugiwara, just want to make sure we got Mugiwara. Yeah, Mugiwara is there, yeah. So a lot of you guys are like the first month, so I think that's probably the reason why. So that's fine. So it's for guys over 2 months. And then in the meantime, guys, we also have a giveaway for everybody else that we're going to be going through right now. It's Apex account giveaway. So guys, let's go ahead and type in exclamation tiger. Also, don't forget to show some love, guys. Smack the like. Damn it. I've been following Tiger since 1992. Yes, thank you so much. But I was not born then though. I was born in 2007. I was born in 2007, guys. Guys, bear with me. I'm trying to do a lot of stuff at the same time. I'm getting really confused. Guys, man, that freaking chat's moving pretty quickly. Hold on. Guys, type in exclamation tiger, right? To give yourself a chance to participate on the Apex account giveaway. And that's for everybody, okay? If we have a good response, we may do a few more. I think the lower likes, we're gonna do more giveaways. Lower likes. I want the likes to go down to 0. And we'll do some more giveaways, guys. Less likes, the more giveaways. Guys, I was joking. Please stop. I was joking. Guys, please.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, guys, a final take profit right there, guys. Boom! Let's go. We're here to make some monies. Let's go, guys. Awesome. Let's rock and roll, guys. More the merrier. All right, gonna be rolling into a different account now. Well, let's try to see. Yeah, there's no way to do that. No. Okay. Haven, what's going on, brother? If you're YouTube members and you win giveaways, you can win multiple giveaways. It doesn't matter. We don't have the rules where one winner can no longer win other accounts. We don't have the rule here. You know, you could win multiple accounts. If we have multiple giveaways happening at the same time, it doesn't matter. It does not matter. The matter. Jala. Guys, stay tuned. We're gonna have a few more giveaways here today. Let's try to have some fun. I closed my short position, guys. I'm in no position at the moment. Zero in the pala. No machala in the house. Need a pullback here. Why? My Discord link, I'll share it again if you guys do want to hang out. Hold on 1 second, guys. The Discord link is right there, everybody. If you're new to the channel, there is our link. All right, the market still has not decided what it wants to do. Stanley Fee Veskin. Hello, StockTiger. You are new here. How often do you execute trades? Well, I execute enough trades to keep you entertained. Enough trades. I can almost surely with confidence tell you. Enough trades. Everybody knows. I get beat up sometimes for getting into too much. Stanley Veskin, are you a more good a trader than 0-day J? What kind of a question is that? 0-day J is a good trader. Very inspiring. I think 0-day J probably took about, I think he took over 200K this year. That's a little more than I am, I think. But yeah, he's a good trader for sure. Okay, 1 second, everybody. 1 second. I'm gonna have to set this up. Yeah, I think I'm getting the network's kind of getting disconnected here once in a while. Well, not once in a while, every few freaking minutes. So I think it's getting on and off. I'm sorry, guys, for a bit of a disruption on the network front. I want to apologize. right? And stay tuned. Bear with me. We got some giveaways happening here tonight, right? So we want to stay tuned for that. We also have a 150k take profit trader account giveaway for YouTube members for over 2 months. And we also have Apex account giveaway for everybody else right now. And we are going to try to do a few more as well if we can. Yeah, there's just seems to be a little disruption here. I don't know what is going on. I think there's something going on with the network here. Something is glitching. I kind of feel like I'm getting on and off. But it's okay, guys. We'll try to move on. Not allow this network issue to stop us from doing a lot of fun stuff here tonight. Let's go. Guys, do we have enough tickets for the giveaway? Let's take a look, guys. 1 minute though. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entries for Apex account giveaway. We'll go ahead and call out the winner for the Apex account giveaway first before we get to the members giveaway. Tiger, when do you prefer trading your funded accounts? When do you prefer? For most part, I think 70% of the time I prefer trading during the New York, right? During the New York.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm gonna have a hot stop here. Oh, by the way, we got Tokyo. Oh, a few minutes. Okay, yeah, we got a few minutes. All right, the first giveaway of the day, guys. First giveaway of the day. I'm gonna close the entries for the Apex account, and good luck, everybody, if you guys are part of this. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna close the entries. Good luck, guys. I'm gonna pick the winner now. And again, where's the giveaway? All right, the winner is going to be Mr. Mr. Flavio. Wow, Mr. Flavio PO6 in the house. Apex account giveaway. The winner goes to Flavio. Let me know you're here with us. Flavio, you've got 45 seconds to let me know. Guys, this is our first giveaway. We got a few more a giveaway here happening tonight. So let's go ahead and first of all find out if Flavio is here. Looks like Flavio is away. He's taking a little bath, a little shower, or he may be walking his dog. I'm yet to find out if he's here with us, guys. 30 more seconds to go. Maybe he's on a plane on its way to Las Vegas for the casino trip. 14 more seconds to go. Please get a Wi-Fi on a plane. Get a Wi-Fi on a plane. Uh-oh. Guys, no excuses, okay? No excuses. If you're not here to claim, this account goes to somebody else. We're gonna play fair and square for everybody here, guys. And unfortunately, Mr. Flavio is not here. And we're gonna have to move on and find out who the next winner is gonna be. So sad, Mr. Flavio looking for account. That was the moment to claim the account. And he wasn't here. So time to roll the dice. Oh, let's go. Guys, man, I'm going to pick the winner again, guys. Good luck, everybody. Again, you got 45 seconds to claim your account. Good luck, guys. And I am long right now as I speak. I've got 4 micro contracts here on this trade. Let's go. Mr. Searphony. A lot of these names are familiar today, guys. 45 seconds for Mr. Searphony, man. Don't tell me you're not here, bro. Don't tell me Searphony. Searphony, 40 seconds to go. Oh my dear. I don't think Searphony is here. We're gonna have to roll it again, guys. Searphony is gone too. Searphony is probably fishing right now in his private boat in Florida, Miami, or maybe in Thailand. We don't know. He's not here. I'm gonna have to cancel the giveaway, and the winner goes to somebody else. We'll find out who it's gonna be. Oh, he's here. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, he's here. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm sorry. Yeah, he is here, guys. He is the winner on our first giveaway of the day. Guys, the market is chopping here right now, guys. Incredible. Incredible chop. Flavio is back? Yeah. But Flavio, oh yeah, you got picked, but you're not here, so it went to somebody. It actually went to Searphony. So yeah. Well, now don't blame me now. What the hell? What did I do? It's not my fault. Not my fault. Not my part. Da, da, da. All right, what am I supposed to do now? I forgot. Oh, the winner goes to Searphony. That's right. The winner goes to Searphony. What a nice name, though. Searphony. Searphony. Let's go. Okay, so we have a winner, and that's done. That's the first giveaway of the day, guys. That's the first giveaway of the day. Let's take a look and see what else do we have in the house that I can try to do and have some more fun, guys, for everybody. For every goddamn money. right? Let me try to see what we have in the house. Holy chickamula. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Man, I haven't used my points at all on my take profit trader. Holy frappuccino. Okay, 1 second. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and do 25k. We're gonna go ahead and do 25k. Hold on 1 second. Take profit trader. Okay, so it's gonna be take profit trader, 25k account for everybody. Okay, everybody. For anybody YouTube members, you're gonna get extra points, of course. Guys, type in !Tiger now. The entries are open. So go ahead and type in right now, guys. This is going to be Take Profit Trader 25k account giveaway for everybody in the house. Let's go, guys. Good luck, everybody. Smack it, smack it. Let's go. Hurry up. I'm going to give you guys like 2 hours to type in !Tiger. So go ahead and do that right now, guys. Do I think the market's gonna end up pulling back, man? This market is so slow, right? It's freaking slow.
Order filled.
Oh, and off you go, guys. I got stopped out. That's a big Monies. They took it off my paycheck. Down to 187, guys. Why is my back hurting so much? Ugh. Let's try to have some fun, guys. Fun time. Let's go. StockTiger in the house, guys. It's freaking slow. Oh, 12 vac, bro. Wow, we're becoming good friends now. 12 vac. We're good friends now, guys. 12 vac and myself. Like, we've been trading London session. We've been trading overnight. And yeah, I've seen 12 vac the whole day. Literally whole day. Tell your boyfriend to take it easy on your back. Well, good luck with that one. Extremely bearish this session. Well, I don't know if it's extremely bearish, but it looks like we're kind of breaking down. It kind of looks like we're breaking down. Guys, I'm going to give you guys 2 more minutes to type in !Tiger, right? Oh, Min-Max Infinity, I think you saw me all day. Yeah, crazy, man, crazy. It's 1:33 a.m. in the morning. See, 12 and myself, guys, we are hanging out all day long. It's morning, 1 o'clock in the morning for 12 vac, and see, we're like a bola, friends. Bola. Voila, friends, let's go. All right, so the market trying to get a bounce off the view up. Let's see what happens here, guys. I'm down about 187 on this one freaking account. We'll try to see if we can actually get something going. Root C the Berry, what's going on, man? What's up, brother? Guys, go ahead and type in exclamation tiger. At the same time, guys, if you guys don't mind, smack the like, everybody, if you guys want to support the channel. Yeah. Do you plan to trade Top Step ever again? Yeah, of course. Yeah, I will trade Top Step. It's just that, you know, I'm just... it's a little overwhelming, to be honest, with an already existing funded accounts and evals that I have. So it's not easy, right? But I'm gonna start trading Ninja though. I'm gonna start trading Ninja. But somebody's gonna help me. But somebody's gonna help me set up this Ninja thing. It's really annoying the hell out of me, right? I'm not happy with this Ninja. I'm trying my level best, but hey, man. It looks horrible. Oh, there's no connection. Anyways, guys, forget about my Ninja for now. We'll move on to something else. Okay. So if somebody has a great like a Ninja chart, then maybe I can use your layout. Let me know, guys. You will be rewarded. So if you guys want to spend some time try to help me out with the Ninja La, then please go ahead and do so. Call me out on Discord, a private chat, and give me your soul. Give me everything that you have to StockTiger. And by the way, I have no idea how to export the layout. So can we even do that though? Yeah, get the hell out of here, 12 back. There's no way. 5. Yeah, I will not trade Ninja at all if that is the case. Forget about it. Guys, we're pulling back here down into the VWAP. Guys, we're pulling back, man. Damn. I really did kind of miss out on that trade. That would have been a beautiful trade to the downside. Okay, so by the way, there was something that we're supposed to do here. I kind of forgot what it was.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Oh my god, you kidding me? Really?
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order sub. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
No way we're gonna end up pulling back here. I'm gonna get absolutely mad if that's really the case.
Order.
Let's go.
Order
There we go.
filled.
There we go.
Order
Back
filled.
in green. Let's
Order
go.
filled.
Yes, sir. We are back in green.
Order submitted.
This is what it's all
Order.
about,
Order
guys.
filled.
Maybe I celebrated a little too early.
Order.
Order
Oh, maybe
filled.
not. I guess. Yeah, we got 9 contracts. Still 9 contracts here, guys.
Order
Oh, let's
submitted.
go. I'm back into the 700s, guys. Oh, is that a balance in 700? Maybe not. Come on, pump it up, man. We all are waiting for
Order
Nasdaq to
submitted.
pump to the upside. Make our day great.
Order submitted.
Still down about
Order
180.
submitted.
Man.
Order
Okay,
submitted.
I'm gonna put a hot stop here. Right underneath the VWAP. Into the 678. Why is my chart so glitchy, man? I don't know what's going on. All right, we need that bounce here, guys. We need that bounce. I'm gonna try to take one off the table, guys, just in case.
Order-
Actually, 2 off the
order
table,
filled.
guys, just in case.
Order.
Order
Just to
filled.
kind of protect myself with a monster pullback, just in case. Yeah, something is so glitchy today. Well, not just today, but I guess it's been like that for the last few days now already. So, Okay, so I've got 7 last piece, and I'm going to be looking for that just a little bounce, guys. I don't know if I'm going to be getting that, but look for that little bounce that could maybe potentially take us back into 7s. But we are struggling to get above. Let's see if we do it right here, guys. Oh man, guys, what's going on? Why is this moving so hard? Oh, and by the way, guys, I'm gonna close the entries for the giveaway. Don't forget. Oh yes, look at that bounce, guys. Back to break even. Nakamura, guys, back. 2 contracts back in the green. Let's go. Wow. Crazy monster moolah bounce that we getting here, guys. Let's see if we hold now. Let's see if we hold. Guys, I think my connection is wrecked right now. Wrecked. Absolutely destroyed. Okay, 1 second. Let me just type it again. Man, crazy stuff, man. I don't even know what this market's trying to do, but well, I'm back to break even. So, well, not back to break even, but I'm up just a little bit. Nothing truly that significant by any means, but where is it? Oh, I'm down here. Guys, I'm gonna close the entries. Guys. Right? For the take profit trader. We got a take profit trader 25k account for everybody. So if you guys did miss out, this is the moment to do it, guys. Type in !Tiger and show some love. Smack the like, everybody. And I'm gonna close the entries here in about a minute. So this is the time to do it right now. Don't forget, guys, legacy accounts are back. It's 90% off across all the legacy accounts with Apex Trader funding. And on top of that, the 100k legacy account is $59 for an activation fee. Guys, be careful when you're loading in the legacy accounts, because the activation fee for which ones again? It's $125 legacy lifetime PA activation fee. Okay, so I would say if it's me, I'm gonna go after the 100k intraday with no activation accounts, which is $59 all in, right? That's what I'm gonna do, because I'm not interested in paying $125. I don't care if it's legacy. I don't care if it's superhero, if it's a Superman. It doesn't matter. 125, I think it's a little too pricey for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and load in the 100k intraday, no activation fee accounts with just $59, right? $59 all in on 100k. So that's what I'm gonna go after if it's me trying to load in some Apex accounts. it's no brainer. Just like what Real Estate Vancouver just said, it's no brainer, right? That's what I'm gonna go after, right? If it's me. So it's pretty straightforward. And then in the meantime, guys, once again, I'm gonna close the entries now for the Take Profit Trader 25K account. So this is your last chance. And we're not really pulling back a lot, so that's fine. I'll just leave that 2-piece. Man, everything is just so broken right now, guys. Marhan Ra, you're gonna have to wait. Well, if that's a 5 days of trading, then yeah, it's gonna get funded maybe by midnight today. So we're constantly pulling back here. I may have to close this. Try to I'm not sure what to do here. Let's try to get out of this trade by scaling in. And first initial pop that I get, I'm gonna get out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Well, the first initial pop turned out to be a first initial dump. Great StockTiger. What a way to trade this.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Come on, man. Just give me that little bounce. Let's go. So I can take it off right away,
Order
guys.
filled.
Order sub- or-
There we go.
order-
Thank you so
order
much.
submitted.
And I'm going to exit that trade, guys. I'm going to exit that
Order
trade.
filled.
And I'm going to look to try to short this
filled.
market, guys, here.
Order filled.
Order.
Order
And
filled.
Order
guys, man, there's a
submitted.
lot of disruptions on my screen.
Order submitted.
Sorry, not.
Order submitted.
My network is kind of down a lot
Order
today.
submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, so I got 10 contracts here. I'm going to put my stop.
Order
Well, no, I
submitted.
lied. Put my stop here at the break even.
Order submitted.
On 5-piece.
Order
5-piece
canceled.
only. Partial stop
filled.
at the break even. Just to try to de-risk myself.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submit. Order submit. Order submit. Order submitted.
Oh,
Order
we got
submitted.
Tokyo. Oh,
Order
shit, guys. One
submitted.
second.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, we got Tokyo. I forgot about that. I have to get out of this trade. Really, I really do. Oh shit. I didn't realize you got Tokyo in about a few minutes. Oh man, am I actually gonna get destroyed on this? Hold on.
Order
Oh!
filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Oh!
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order sub.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
All right,
Order
booyah!
filled.
We're
Order
here to
filled.
make some monies. Oh my god. Yeah.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Oh man, this is gonna go. Yep. All right, there we go, guys. Let's pinky go. Yo, man, 2 last piece holding. We're back to almost break even, man. Thank God. We're here to make some monies, right, guys? Good luck. Here we are. Some crazy stuff happening here in the market, guys. We're getting a nice rip to the upside as well. And man, I am having a lot of trouble with this network. I'm gonna close this position right here, guys. Maybe. No? Okay, well, hold on to that. All right, we are getting some sort of a bounce, guys. Let's try to see if we can actually push into the 740s.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
It's not looking that great, guys. What a wick. And that wick is crazy. That's like a 40 points wick on a 30 minutes chart. That's crazy.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. 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 Order submitted.
My hard stop would be somewhere in that 650 area where if we end up pulling back all the way down there, I'm just going to exit my trade. I'll be down about $1,000, I guess, by the time it's kind of said and done. And off you go. Is that a pullback? Or is that just merely a buyable pullback? Let's find out, guys. Man, but what a crazy volatility here right now, guys. Pretty amazing. We are 4 minutes into Tokyo and the market's finding ways to give us a pullback. Crazy. Wow, my God. What a nasty pullback here, guys. I'm down about $1,400. Awesome. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
Order filled.
Fuck. Amazing.
Order
Filled. Order filled.
Oh man.
Order
filled.
Order
Filled.
Order submit. Order submitted. Order
Filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh no pullback. No. That was not part of the deal. Oh, F off, man. F off. Come on. You can't be doing that. Really?
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Oh
Order
man, you really had to do that. I mean, this is a dirty market. This is as dirty as it gets, guys. As dirty as it gets.
Order filled.
I think we're pulling back. But that's kind of weak. All right, guys, I may have to get out of this trade, man. This is just not looking bueno at all.
Order
filled.
Damn, it's tough. What a dumpster. Oh.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order
Filled.
Just kind of feels like every long, it's short-lived. Unless it's proven otherwise.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I guess I'm down to 5. And let's see if this time we get a little bit of a
Order
bounce, guys,
submitted.
man. I'm getting tired of this nonsense. Really?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh,
filled.
what? God.
Order canceled.
What are you doing? Oh, man. We're kind of sitting into that 620 area, guys. That's a big support level. We are back to the box, guys. You guys know when I was trading this morning, pre-market into the New York cash, I drew this box here on the left hand side of this chart. I drew that box in the morning, and I said if we try to pierce through that, I think we're gonna start to see this market move pretty hard. And we did that first to the downside, and then we obviously found a way to get a bounce towards the end. But we ended up pulling back all the way down. There was another 100 points pullback off the box, and that was a key level of support. We pierced through that. We went all the way down to the 480, but then we also found a way to get a bounce back into 770, and that's about 200 points bounce. And then we are rolling over down right now, but hey, wow, that level is pretty significant. So we're gonna have to really find a way to hold that. Looks like we are holding. We'll see, guys. We're pretty overextended to the downside as well right now. RSI down, well, not as much on the longer time frame, but the shorter time frame pretty extended. So
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Filled.
Order filled.
I am going to try to long on a pullback here. I am going to try to long on a pullback here. Let's see.
Submitted.
Let's see if we get it, guys.
Submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
And I'm kind of looking for that little bit of a bottoming process to kind of play out. Maybe get a little pullback here down. We try to bounce, and then we try to pull back. You know, and we eventually find a way to get a bounce back into the VWAP, maybe. Or maybe I should try to short this. Okay, guys, I'm going to exit this trade.
Order canceled.
I'm going to cancel my limit orders. Okay, so we are rolling over down. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled. filled.
Order
filled.
Yeah, DYC Dennis, man. I'm not sure what this is gonna do, but man, so far it's not looking that great, I'll be honest. Yeah, I'll be back next week to stream live in the mornings too. New York cash. I've been pretty off. I've been pretty active London session, but I mean New York cash. I've not only have not streamed in the mornings, but I've also not been able to trade. Not been able to trade in the mornings. That's a problem. So I'm having a little bit of a problem in a way, like personally trying to trade. Very bad timings, right? I mean, trading during the London session late night has been a bit of a problem for me. So I've not been really being able to capitalize on a bigger volatility, a cleaner volatility, if you will. So I'm really behind on a lot of my accounts. I've not been able to trade as much, and it's been pretty awful. So, and with that, you know, I've been trying to force myself, like during the London and pre-London and during the London session into the pre-market New York cash. I've been trying to force myself, and that also kind of led to losing a couple accounts as well. So a bit of a you know bit of a challenge from that front. So I guess I'm gonna have to kind of wait till maybe next week and just come back and be able to trade comfortably in the mornings, and yeah, and be right back on track. So the goal right now for me is to really hold on to my accounts until I'm back, right? So that's really the goal. Hold on to my accounts. So just because we're having a lot of challenges not being able to trade in the mornings, do not try to force yourself trading during the London and overnight, and rack your accounts. And by the time I'm back next week, I'm not like, I don't have any accounts to trade. That's good. That's going to be like the worst thing that could ever happen to you as a trader. So I want to make sure I've got everything that I need to. All my accounts that I've been holding on to in the last couple of weeks, I want to make sure I have all of them ready to go, trade in the mornings, and be able to trade in the mornings. And also at the same time, I want to be able to go live in the mornings too. I haven't been doing that at all in the last couple of weeks. So would love to be back to regular scheduling, if you will. So yeah, so we're back at the market's trying to get a bounce again, man. What a wicks, and what a bounce, and what a pumps, and what a dumps. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and close the entries for the Take Profit Twitter 25K account giveaway, and this is our second giveaway of the day, guys. And good luck. I'm gonna pick the winner now, guys. All the best to y'all, fellow traders. Team Phony, I mean, honestly, it's hard to say what's my pass rate. I'm probably somewhere between 30 to 60%. So it depends on what sort of a firm you're trading with. My pass rate with Take Profit Trader, the Lucid, is by far the best. And it's probably very obvious the reason why. Because the accounts are a lot more expensive. Well, not a lot more expensive, but I mean, it's pricier because you got a no activation. So it kind of makes sense. You're a little more careful in your trading. It takes you a little longer to pass, and smaller size, I guess. More expensive, yeah. More expensive. The more nervous you get, the more careful you get, and yeah, kind of slow down a little bit. with Apex and everything else like Billanox and everything else that's kind of cheap, or you got a BOGO deal 1+1, like those are accounts that I honestly do not really pay too much attention. So my pass rate may be somewhere between that 30% to 40% maybe. The more expensive ones, the Take Profit Trader and the Lucids, are probably between 50 to 70%, I would say. Depends, you know, some months I'm like 90%, some months I'm down to 30%, so it depends, right? It's weird because the legends were pretty cheap, and those are the ones I did pretty well with. Believe it or not. The ones that I don't care are the ones that you do better. Is that a coincidence, guys? The ones you do not care. Honestly, I think more than the 150s. I think well, it would be a lie. I kind of feel like lately it's been the 25s. Believe it or not, the 25s has been paying me pretty well. You guys know the Take Profit Traders, so I'm very, very happy with that account. But you know, if you just spread that, you know, sort of the trend in the last 8 months, I would say give or take 50K accounts are the ones that paid the most. Of course, by far. Probably about 70%, 80% of the 70% of the payouts come from the 50Ks. But keep in mind, guys, I don't know if you guys remember in the month of April or May, my biggest payouts were coming from the 150s on the listed accounts, right? The listed 150K accounts. That's where I, you know, I just kept getting payouts left, right, and center. Eventually found a way to go live, and but it's the 150s that paid me in the month of April and May. And then now it's the 25Ks that's really paying me. So, but overall in the last 7 months, right from the start of the year, give or take 60 to 70% of the payouts coming from the 50K accounts. I would say maybe a little more than that, maybe 80%. 80% of the payouts come from the 50Ks. If you run the 7 months of trading. So yeah, which platform pays me the most? I would say Tradovate so far, because I mean I've been trading Tradovate for the most part. Tradovate is maybe about 70%, and Rhythmic, Quantower. The Quantower probably 30%. It depends, Garcia. I mean, you know, it depends, bro. Try both and see, you know, what you feel comfortable with. And you know, what works now does not have to be what it is for the next 8 months. You know what I mean? Things can change. And as when things change, right? As when things change, you're going to have to adjust your trading style. You're going to have to adjust your trading, the way you trade, right? The market's going to change all the time. And if you're going to stick to one thesis all the freaking time, that's another problem, right? So as when the market evolves, the market changes, and, you know, you're going to have to be able to adapt to those changes, right? And adjust your trading size accordingly, adjust your trading style, you know. And that's why my trading style like consistently changes as needed. All right, guys, I'm going to pick the winner here for the Take Profit Trader 25K account. Good luck if you guys are on this. I'm going to pick the winner. And if I call out the winner, you got 45 seconds to let me know that you are here on the chat. And also, you're going to have to DM me on Discord to make sure you are able to claim your account as well. Silverback Trading. Silverback Trading, let me know. You got 45 seconds to let me know. Silverback Trading. What a bounce off that 615, guys. That's another significant level we just talked about constantly, that we are getting a strong bounce off the level. Crazy stuff, right? Silverback trading is here in the house, brother. I'm gonna have to have you DM me, of course, on the Discord. Send me the friend request. I think that's the first thing you're gonna have to do, because I don't think I've ever chatted with you. So DM me, send me a friend request on the Discord so I can accept your request and go ahead and take care of your account as well. The take profit 25k winner goes to Silver. Congrats to you once again. And now let's go to the Take Profit Trader 150k account giveaway. Kazumax in the house. What's up, brother? Kazumax. Oh, we are friends? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I remember you now. I remember you now. EL7 Trader. I have no idea, amigo. Me mucho angry at NQ right now. I have no idea as well myself. I wish I knew. But look at that volatility, guys. That volatility is a disaster. Disaster, guys. All right, so here we are. Guys, good luck. This is for YouTube members for over 2 months. It's a 150k account, guys. Let's go. For this, you don't have to wait 45 seconds. If you're not here, just go ahead and claim your freaking account if you are the winner. Good luck, guys. Let's go. Who is going to be the winner? In the bala, in the chala. Let's go. Oh! Web, are you here? Web, are you here? I don't think I've ever seen Web lately, so I don't know.
Order
filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, you were close? Really? Let's take a look who it was. Where's that?
Order filled.
Oh, it's not there. Oh yeah, Andrew Trecha, you're close. Poy Pablo is also pretty close too. Yeah. Right next to right next to Web. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right here. Maybe. At least somehow we found a way to get something back, so that's good in that sense.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So, by the way, the Ninja
Order
Order filled.
chart that I asked for help, you don't have to build it for me. Just let me know what you have. If I like that chart, I will ask you to transfer that I can use your chart. You know what I mean? And then I'll go ahead and take care for setting it up, right? So let me know what it is. So if we are not friends, just send me a private chat, send me a friend request, and I want to see what the chat looks. Oh, not the chat. I want to see what the chart looks like first before I can transfer it into my workstation. Wow, Beatty Castaway, you made 10K. Wow, on your 250K account. Oh, wow, let's go, man. Awesome, bro. Justin Wright, yo, what's up, brother? Wow, Beatty Castaway, man. I saw your message right now. Awesome, bro. Good job, good job. Trading for SL, let's go. It's easy for StockTiger, not really, but hey, thanks for the kind words. Yuchin J, what's going on, bro? What's up? You drunk? I'm not. No, you are drunk, not me. You are drunk. You're going down, we're going up. Yeah, I know, man. This market has been really annoying the hell out of me. Big belly button. Good night, Tiger. Have a great weekend. You too, bro. Look forward to watching your stream on Sunday night. Let's go, Big Belly. Oh, Perfect Slur. What's going on from Switzerland? What's up? Oh, man, I haven't seen you in a long time, Perfect Slur. Oh, you've been around. You just did not chat, maybe. I don't know. I will be live tonight. I will, well, not tonight. Early tomorrow morning, pre-market session. I'll be live. So getting a little pullback here, guys. I'm gonna hold this. I'm down about $500 now, man. Thank God. I mean, I would have been down a lot more, but somehow we found to stay a little more disciplined, and only down $500, guys. From how aggressively I was trading, $500. I mean, it's fine. It could have been a lot worse, by the way, guys. Only down $500. That's good. Guys, I'm gonna exit that trade right here, maybe. Well, I'm going to see this trade right here. All right.
Order filled.
Wow, what a rip. I mean, being on a red trade, I mean, nobody likes to be on a red trade, but I mean, if that's how it's going to be, even though you tried, I mean, you're going to have to kind of accept, you know, the fact that you're down and just kind of move on, you know. Yeah, I think overall the structure is right. I mean, Real Estate Vancouver has a good point. It's on a bigger time frame, it's down, but on a shorter time frame, we may get a little pop that could probably take us back into the VWAP. But I'm also kind of leaning more towards the downside. It's pushing. So as long as we try to stay underneath the VWAP, I think we should be fine. We could look for that little rollover down. But I could try to get this into trade where, and we try to pop into the VWAP. You know, I try to short this market off the VWAP and put a stop at 700 area, right? So that's about 20 points from the VWAP. But only if the market try to get a bounce back into the VWAP, that is. With Tradify, I'm doing fine. I've got like $5,000 of profit on that account, one account that I have with them. So I've got $5,000 on this one account, and I'm sitting at 44% consistency, and you gotta be at 35%. So I've got like 10% to kind of bring it down to. And once I do that, I'm gonna be able to request a payout, which is, you know, I can kind of wait for a few more days to make that kind of play out. And I'm working through the illicit evals too. So hopefully we get something going there as well, guys. And maybe by the time we get to Sunday, I've got some funded accounts to kind of work with. But I mean, with the illicit accounts, I'm not really looking for 2 days to pass. Honestly, it doesn't matter. If it's going to take me 5 days to pass, it's all fine by me. As long as I can keep this account for a little longer and try to pass without blowing them, right? So I haven't been trading the legend accounts, but I still have them. I think I have to. Let me just do a little, what do you call this? You know, just
order filled.
Just to make sure that I'm
order filled.
That I've traded these accounts, right?
Order filled.
Order submit. Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Really awesome, guys. Really awesome. Trying to make $5 down about 200. What a way to go, guys. What a way to go. I thought we were gonna get a nice little pop to the upside, but are we? I thought we were. Like, get the freaking up there. Hurry up. I don't have time for you. Just get the hell up there right now. Let's go. All right. Well, I'm down still. Yeah.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm down over 50 bucks. We'll let that be as is. I just want to make sure I'm not trading discounts. Yeah. And I've also got a little problem because I passed a few Apex, the 150k accounts, but they're asking me to pay for an activation 129. If that is the case, I might as well just go buy the 100k intraday, no activation on the legacy, and try to pass those for $59 all in. Oh my god. I may try to do that. Maybe try to cancel my cancel the activation, because I don't want to pay $129. It doesn't really matter if it's the promo ended yesterday, but for the activation you should be able to pay the promo activation fee, which was $59 on a 150k account. That's crazy. Now I have to pay $129, so I don't know. Just pay. You know, it's a little different because if you had a mindset that, okay, the activation is only going to be 59, and that was the idea. The reason I bought that account is because I knew I was going to pay 59 for activation. And now after passing, like, you have to pay 129. You know, it's kind of like, I don't know. You got luck, short at 63. Oh, what a bounce in the market, guys. It's a lot of chop here in the range, so I don't know. Wow, you guys are passing a whole bunch of accounts, man. What the hell are you guys doing? How the heck you guys are passing all these accounts at this in this pretty hard chop that we're getting here right now? Crazy stuff. Vinny Lee, what's up? The order feeler, let's go. Tiger, let's do 50, 100k Trump. Yeah, well, I don't know about that. I'm not in that for sure. In Mondeli, what's up, brother? ASAP Fly, cost chat is too good. Something about CTP. Oh, just passed the Lucid Bell. 12 back in the house, man. Let's go. Good job, bro. Good job. All right, let's take a look. What well, instead of trying to get into a trade in and out right now, I'm trying to gauge where it could go, right? Where is the bigger time frame trending into, right? That's what I'm gonna that's what I'm kind of looking at right now. Looking for what sort of a market's gonna be in the next couple of hours. That would be an overnight, late night. I will be live at about like I'll be live about 6 o'clock Eastern time. So 6 o'clock Eastern time, I will be live. I'll be live early in the morning, right? And that's what it's gonna be. And I'm gonna try to see if I can stay on until like, I don't know, for as long as I can, because it's week, right? So there'll be no Globex Asia show tomorrow, right? I think. Yeah, so there's not going to be Globex Asia show because it's Friday, right? So I could go live early tomorrow and then carry on to the New York cash. And the market is still chopping here in the range. Real estate Vancouver, I'm a loser. Well, let's go. Wow, where's this gonna go? I'm most probably done, I would say, for the day. I don't think I want to be trading this anymore, to be honest. It's too choppy here, right? And we don't know where it's gonna pop. We're kind of right in the middle of the chop zone too, in that 675 area. It looks like it's trying to get a bounce too at the moment. Like I said again, I think we are kind of boiling down to the headlines. I think the market is very fragile, especially at this time of the day into the London. The headlines are going to dictate where this market's going to go. And we could get any sort of a headline that would come out of nowhere. And really, that's how it's been in the last couple of weeks. Well, I'd say last couple of months. So we'll see. Based on what sort of a headline we get, I think the market may try to move. Right, pretty hard. So far I'm not really biased into the long or to the short side. I'm kind of neutral at the moment. So we'll see how this thing kind of plays out. Crazy stuff. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to get a bounce, but I mean, we need a stronger bounce than this though, with a bigger volume kind of stepping in. The volume's kind of dying, so we'll see. All right, so in the meantime, I will take off here, guys. I want to thank you to all of you for being here with us every single night during the Globex Asia session, 5:30 p.m. I will be live tomorrow early in the morning, and we'll carry on to the Friday morning New York cash session as well. So if y'all have a great day, I thank you and congrats to all the winners. We'll do more giveaways down the road in the next couple of days. Stay tuned for more fun stuff happening on this show. Everybody, once again, thank you so much for being here freaking every single night. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys back tomorrow in the morning. Everybody, have a great rest of the night. God bless to all of you and your family. Thank you so much, Justin Wright. To everybody here in the house, goodbye. Thank you, guys. Shutting down StockTiger. See you guys back tomorrow. Peace.